Yo, what's up, everyone? We gonna look at the trades I took this week, but I only took one, and we're gonna start with that, which is AUD NZD, which we had this weekly AOY right here, and also this 4-hour resistance turning to a support, also aligned with fib retracement, which actually we can move, because this was at the start of the week, but we can move it right here. So as you can see, it's nice place to buy it right now, but I entered around here on Tuesday, and since then the price just been moving sideways, which is, I think, because we're in a risk-off environment right now, and to be honest, it was probably not the best trade to took, because either it will move sideways or it will drop, in my opinion, because people are just not buying these risk-on currencies right now, the investors. So we'll see what will happen. And that's the only trade I took, but we're gonna take a look at the trades I could have took, but I didn't. So first, NZD USD, I had marked up this head and shoulders on the 1 hour, and I said wait for retrace, and wait for engulfing, which did happen right here. And there was an opportunity to take it actually. Wait, let me just delete this for now. And I could have just entered like this, which would have been TP. A nice trade. But to be honest, what I did not like is I wanted it for where it was Sunday open. So I wanted for it to instantly came up and it just went lower. So I was not sure. But yeah, fundamentals were there, so should have took this. But it is what it is. Euro USD. We had this weekly AOY right here, and I set ABR entry, which I think happened based on this. Let's see. I don't see any clean one. Maybe higher time frame. Maybe like this and this. But it never broke through. Like here, it just went up, and then we had this one. Yeah, this was possible entry. Like, okay, there is it consolidated, you retest right here, entry, and stop loss around here. But I don't know. I did not saw this, and I don't think I wanted to ensure Euro USD because it's not the most bearish based on fundamentals. And this is also not the cleanest one, because I would have wanted to see engulfing like here, but I went all the way up here. But there was, if you take this, maybe somewhere down here entry. But yeah, I'm not mad about not taking this. And we have gold, which was a really good trade. I should have took this, but I didn't, because I don't know. We had this daily slash 4-hour AOI. also aligned with fib. Then we came up into the zone. We had this nice accumulation, retest, entry right here, stop loss around here, and as you can see 1 to 2 would have hit even more. Nice trade. Something similar happened in silver, but not that clean. So yeah, definitely should have took this. I don't know why I didn't. GBP and ZD. I said any entry, so I would have probably entry on this engulfing with this 4 hour resistance turning to a support. And this really strong candle right here. Maybe there was even like EVR. No, I don't see anything. So probably just this. Yeah, fundamentals were there, but I think it was like 2 a.m. and 6. So yeah, could have entered here at like 6 p.m. at this retracement. This would have been even better entry, like around here. Stop loss right here. Yeah, unfortunate. GP chef again, just an engulfing candle, which by the way could be this one because it is above this one, but it's not that strong of an engulfing. Maybe there was an ABR inside somewhere. Well, here, yeah, it was. It would have been the same, so it doesn't matter. But again, clean trade. Should have took this one as well. I don't know. Was it again a late one? No, it was 6 a.m. I was already up at that. And when he made the retracement, I was already up. Let me see, wait. Okay, so here opens new 4 hour. I could have entered. Wait, no. Yeah, this was the right entry to take. Was there a 4 hour engulfing? Wait, I'm so slow today. I don't know why. Yeah, but one thing, I don't know what is this big ass on. Is that like an? I don't even know. I don't even know what it is. But I have it marked up and reacted off of it. So when I look at the daily, I don't even like what is this? Is it like an? I think yeah. It's just it shouldn't be like here. It should have been like this. This is just demand zone. Yeah, but personally, would have wait for this, for it to all the way, for it to come all the way down here. But it was value to take. Your cat. I said only take this if bearish news for oil. Where is this almost open? Stuff like that. And I don't remember any right now. Maybe there was, maybe there wasn't. There was the Trump holding the airstrikes or whatever, but then the Israel attacked it, so doesn't matter. But it did react over it, but it's been going sideways now. Euro NZD, nice trade to still would have been in, but it doesn't matter. I think that looks close to the GP NZD, so I don't think there is need of explanation. Oh yeah. And that's everything for today. And tomorrow I'm gonna do the analysis and the trades I'll be looking for the next week. And hopefully I will actually start taking trades that I mark up and not just miss the entry. Because I don't know, I'm leaving profit on the table. So I'll see you all tomorrow.